Hey everyone. Welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we're diving into a car that's known for being small in size but big in style and practicality, the 2025 Renault Clio. Whether you're a city driver, a first-time car buyer, or just someone who loves a tech-packed hatchback, the Clio has a lot to offer. So, let's get right into it. Exterior first up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Renault Clio continues to refine the sleek, compact design that made it a favorite. This time around it features more dynamic lines, a lower stance, and a new, bolder front grille with a large Renault badge in the center. You've got C-shaped LED headlights that give the car a distinctive look, especially at night. The sporty alloy wheels, which range from 16 to 18 inches depending on the trim, add a little extra flair. And check out the rear, those sharp LED taillights and the curved roofline give the Clio a really modern, polished look. The car is compact but manages to feel premium with these subtle yet impactful design choices. Interior inside, the 2025 Clio impresses with its smart and functional layout. Soft touch materials and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere, making it feel more upscale than you might expect from a compact hatchback. You've got a fully digital 10-inch driver display that lets you customize what you see, from navigation to media controls. The steering wheel feels great in the hands and the buttons are intuitive, keeping everything within easy reach. And despite its small size, the Clio offers impressive rear seat legroom, making it a practical choice for small families or anyone who occasionally needs to carry passengers. Performance all right, now let's get under the hood. The 2025 Renault Clio comes with multiple engine options depending on your market. There's the 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 90 horsepower, perfect for city driving and delivering good fuel efficiency. If you need a little more kick, there's also a hybrid option, a 1.6-liter engine paired with an electric motor for a combined 145 horsepower. And let's talk price, starting at around $22,000 for the base model and going up to $29,000 for the fully loaded hybrid variant. The 2025 Renault Clio offers a lot of value for the money. Whether you're after a stylish city car or a tech-filled, fuel-efficient ride, the Clio has you covered. So, is the 2025 Renault Clio worth it? For anyone in need of a compact car that's both stylish and smart, absolutely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the review. Subscribe to Car Alerts for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments what do you think of the 2025 Renault Clio. Catch you in the next one.